Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, hope everyone's doing well. Today let's take a look at the SNAPTAIN E10. It's a brushed motor drone. It's not brushless. It has a nice camera though, nice HD camera on the front there. You can put a TF card in it. Looks like we have a little bottom camera there too. Has a pretty good sized battery. Anyway, enough talking about it. Let's see what it can do. I have it hooked to the camera. That's what it's seeing. All right, let's give it a shot. I'll turn the speed up. A little breezy. Yeah, speed 3. Here we go. Up and away. Oh, that's pretty smooth. Look at that. Y'all in your sideward flight. Up and down looks good. Alright, let's see what we can do. Let's go up in the air. See if we can do a circle flight or something. It has that feature. So I think we're out of everything's way. We're out of the way of everything. Let me find out how we do this. I think right here. There it goes. It's doing that on its own. Okay, then to stop it, I'm going to hit it again. I think you can set the size of the circle flight too. Let's see. You also have a button on your ooh, the wind's carrying me away. A button on the remote too. Let me try that. Yep, same thing. That's decent range. That's very cool. Well, let's just take it for a cruise. This thing can cut right through the sky on speed 3. Not super fast, but it can go through some breeze. Very cool. Let's bring her down here closer and see if we can do some 360 flips. Takes its time coming down, which is okay. And she won't drop it on somebody's head. It's a good safety feature. I've got the throttle all the way down, as far as it can go, and it still climbs really slow. Just so you know, it's a safety feature on these new drones. Smart. Okay, let's try to do a 360. Wow, look at that. Let's try to go all directions. Very cool. Let's get a closer look at this thing hovering, shall we? Nice. SNAPTAIN E10 right there if you're just tuning in. How about that? Very cool. Looks like we still have a lot of battery. Actually looks full. Nice. Let's try some more 360s. Uh-oh. Had some turbulence. You get sudden gusts of wind through these trees and mess them up a little bit. Alright, we'll try a 360 right here. Yeehaw! Very cool. Alright, let me get up in the air a little higher and I'm going to take a couple snapshots. Alright. There's one. Make sure it's taken. Oh, that started the video. I hit the video button. Okay, so we're going to take a little video first. Let me do a slow 360. The wind's really messing with it. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, let's take a couple snapshots and shut the video off. There's one. There's two. Alright, let's just cruise around a little bit now. Yeehaw! I like it. Alright, let's bring it in for a landing. We'll try an auto land. If I can figure out which button that is, but it does have it. Let me see. There it is. Well, that was easy enough to find. Right up in the top left corner, right above the throttle. You'll see an auto land. Right there. Let me try to get it over the pad. Long press. There it goes. Oh, the wind blew it off of the pad. Nice. There we have it, guys. SNAPTAIN E10. Thanks again, SNAPTAIN, for sending that to me. Appreciate it. Hope you have some new drones to send our way. We'll be looking forward to it. Well, you guys, thanks a lot for watching. Okay, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.